Hi guys, this is Meera Rajan and you are watching the series Honest Reviews on Orange Candy. So the first episode of Honest Reviews was about Dega's bestsellers, two bestsellers that we reviewed, that are the Beetroot Lip Balm and the Under Eye Cream from Dega. So this product review is available here if you want to watch that. In that video, a lot of people were asking for some other bestseller products from Dega and their review, which is the beauty serum and the charcoal soap. So I have been using these products for like last 2 or 3 months. By the time I reviewed the first video itself, I was using it already, but I just wanted to make sure what I am saying, so I waited for a little bit of time to confirm what I am saying. So let's not waste time and get into the reviews. ഇതിൽ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാ പോയിന്റ്സും എൻ്റെ പേഴ്സണൽ ഒപ്പീനിയൻ ആണ് and it is not intended to hurt or boost any brand or any person in any way. So if you don't know, Dega is an organic beauty brand which makes organic products for skincare, and they have been quite popular in Instagram, and they are quite popular brand right now for the organic brand there, and some of their products are really good. And every brand, every product has its positives and negatives, and it will not suit for everyone. That's what we are targeting in our this series Honest Reviews. What products are good for what skin, what kind of people, and what are the positives and negatives that I found in that product. So let's get into the review. So as you know, Dega's beautifying serum is organic beauty care serum which is used for skincare. Particularly, it is not a makeup kind of serum, it's a skincare serum. So let's start with the positives as usual. So the one good positive thing about this beautifying serum is that it's actually a working serum. If you ask me if this serum is beautifying your skin, I don't know, that depends upon the definition of beauty for you. But still, I would say that if you use this in your night routine, the next day you can find a little bit of glow on your skin, like a healthy kind of glow. It will not make your skin fair, or it will not take away your pimples or something like that, but it will definitely give you a little bit of a glow if you apply it overnight. Basically, if you apply it the day before, the next day morning you can find that your skin is better if you don't apply the serum. So that kind of benefit is definitely there for the serum. And the second positive is that it is definitely an organic serum, organic oil. By the components of it, the components they have mentioned here are different types of oils, like the organic moringa oil, bitter almond oil, boabab, okay, kukui oil, watermelon seed oil, cuscus essential oil, and rapeseed oil. It has been mentioned that there are no added colors or preservatives, and there are no such chemical components as such in the Dega brand. That's one positive thing that is common among all Dega products. But unfortunately, according to me, there are more negatives than positives for this serum, basically because the first thing being, they have mentioned that this is a beautifying serum, and it is basically not a serum kind of texture. It is an oil. It's basically an oil. The texture is similar to the gingerly oil that we find in our homes, right? Nallanna. So the texture and the smell is very similar to that. If you are applying it overnight, it's essentially like applying oil to your face. I don't know how much effective this is for oily skin. It can cause pimples on your skin or not, but I haven't developed any pimples as such, because I mean, for my age right now, I'm not getting a lot of pimples right now on my skin. There are chances, if your skin is acne prone, then you are definitely going to get some pimples from the oil if it is not absorbed properly, or if your pores get clogged or something with the oil, because the texture is very oily, guys. Most of the days I skip this in my night routine because I feel so lazy to take some oil and apply it on my face, and I don't like the feel of the oil on my face, so I mostly skip it. I'll tell you when I use this for my night routine. The days when I have a shoot, like next day if I have any shoot or something, then I'll definitely use it, or any function, if I have to go somewhere, or I just wanted to, if there is something special about tomorrow, I'll definitely use this because it gives me a kind of healthy glow on my skin. Good thing is that it is very fast absorbing. As they have mentioned, it is a fast absorbing oil. So if you give the right kind of massage, you have to massage it for at least like 2 or 3 minutes. One thing I didn't like about the marketing of this product is that they should have mentioned that it is a beautifying oil. Only mentioned it in their website in one place that it is a beautifying oil. The main name itself says it's a beautifying serum. When I bought this product, I was expecting a serum kind of texture. I didn't notice the one place where they have mentioned oil in there. So I was like, what the hell? But I definitely like the result, so I'm keeping it. I may or might not buy it again. I don't know for right now. But this is enough for me for a few more months. It's like actually 1.05 ounce, 30 ml of product, which is coming for 730 rupees. It is a bit on the costlier side, but if you ask me if it's worth it, if you have a dry skin, you can definitely try this. I believe since this is organic, it's not going to cause you any extra trouble from the chemicals to your skin, so it is safe to use. Another negative that I found about this product is the packaging. It comes in a little bit of kind of glass bottle. That is fine for me, you can take care of it, but the cap that they have given here, it's little bit difficult to open, and when I tried it too hard, the filler came off. So I won't give marks for the packaging for this product. Overall, for the beauty serum, I will give a 3 out of 5 rating, basically because the package was not good, but it was doing something good to my skin and it's organic, so definitely will go for 3 stars out of 5. The next product that I wanted to review, or you guys wanted me to review, was the charcoal soap from Dega. It's also a very nice product. The positives are that it smells very good, smells natural. It gives a really good kind of cleansing feel for your skin, but I didn't feel like the blemishes are going away, but when you wash it off, suddenly when you see there's a kind of a brightness in your skin, and I think it's basically because it washes away all the impurities from your skin. The product is very nice for makeup removal as such. Not the harsh kind of makeup like the kajal and all will not go, but it is better than most of the face washes. It's not like mild, it's actually a soap. It's like a medium kind of soapy feeling, but it will basically make your skin look fresh and kind of good feeling. Another point is that it has a very nice smell, a natural kind of smell, and it's very good. Every time when I wash face with that, I feel very happy actually. I don't know what is the reason behind that. I just feel good, just like that. But the product as such is very costly, so what I did is I didn't use it for bathing. I just used it to wash my face. It's a soap, so if you don't take care of the soap, it will wash out very fast. If you're not lazy, you can make small bars out of it and keep rest of it in the almara or something, and keep only a small bar in your bathroom or wherever you're washing your face, right? So that way you can save up some money in that regard, and the soap will last. So I made small bars out of it and kept it for use, and it lasted for like 2 months for me. I think it's worth buying again, so I might or might not buy it again, but at the back of my mind I still think I should buy it again, just for that feel of happiness when I wash my face. For the charcoal soap, I will give a 4.5 out of 5, just for the happiness. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked the video. I hope I answered all the questions that came up to me in the Dega's first review video. If you have more questions, do comment below, and if you have a different experience of the product, please comment below so that we can also know what is happening to your kind of skin. Or you can also contact me on my Instagram page. The ID is given below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next time. Till then, tata, see you. Bye bye.